Now so you go take welcome your husband when you never see Tete. If I not come home now, you go to complain. As I don't come, now so you suppose behave.
Baba David, which kind of man you don't become, sef? Eh? You leave your wife, where you married for over 20-something years now, with your 3 children, go there live without a shower. And you expect, say, when you come house, I go worship you. Say you don't do well, Abi.
You know if you tell me what I go do. Now me be your husband. No be you marry me. No be you they hear the gossip where people they gossip outside.
Where do people they talk? Eh? Abi na lie say you no fit pay your children school fees. Where you leave us, go there live without a shower where God go punish.
Take. Make you take this money, pay our children school fee. The one wey go remain, make una take and the chop. Now 20,000 naira be that.
20,000 naira. This one no go pay our 3 children school fees now. I been at the food where we go dey chop for 1 month before we see us again. Eh?